Hello friends, this video on direct and indirect speech part 3 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So let us first see the rules. How do we change the tense? Now this table very clearly tells you that how the tense gets changed as the tense of the reporting verb changes. So here in this table, the first is when the reporting verb is in the present tense. Now doesn't matter what is the tense of the direct speech, but it doesn't change basically. For example, Rama says, I like tea. So in this case, which is the reporting verb? Says is the reporting verb which is in present tense. Therefore, the tense of the direct speech, this is the direct speech, the tense here is also present tense. So we will make sure that in the indirect speech also, it remains in the present tense. So in the indirect speech, it becomes Rama says that she likes tea. So basically, like changed to likes. Now, a lot of you might ask that why did it change to likes? Why not like? That's because in the direct speech, like was used with first person I. But in the indirect speech, it is used with third person she. Therefore, it is likes. But the tense of both remain the same. The tense of both of these are in the present tense. Right? Now, what if the reporting verb is in the past tense and the direct speech is in the simple present? For example, Rama said, I like tea. So in this case, the reporting verb is in the past tense, but the verb of the speech, the direct speech, is in the present tense. So in this case, what will happen? In the indirect speech, this like will change to simple past. Now, the reporting verb ka tense never changes. The tense of the reporting verb always remains same, whether it is direct speech or indirect speech. But the tense of the direct speech changes, right? The statement, that tense changes. So, in this case, in the direct speech, it will be Rama said that she liked tea. So you see, here it was simple present and now it is simple past. So from simple present, it changed to simple past. Now what if the reporting verb is in the past tense and the direct speech is in present continuous? Like Rama said, I am liking tea. So I am liking tea. This is present continuous. So how would this change? So this would become Rama said that she was liking. So it will change to past continuous. Present continuous will change to past continuous. Therefore, am liking will change to was liking. Now, as we go ahead further, now if the reporting verb is in the past tense, the direct speech is in present perfect, then in the indirect speech, it becomes past perfect. So basically, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, then what happens? The direct speech also changes to past tense. So if it is in simple present, it becomes simple past. If it is in present continuous, it becomes past continuous. If it is in present perfect, it becomes past perfect, and so on. Now let's look at this one. Rama said, I have liked tea. So this would become Rama said that she had liked tea. So have changes to had. So present perfect changes to past perfect. Now, what if the reporting verb is in the past tense and the direct speech is also in the simple past? Like here, Rama said, I liked tea. So here the reporting verb is also in the past tense and the direct speech is also in the past tense. In this case, what will happen? In this case, the simple past changes to past perfect. So this becomes Rama said that she had liked tea. So basically in both these cases, when the direct speech is in present perfect or the direct speech is in simple past, in both these cases, in the indirect form, it would be past perfect. So I think this table is very, very crucial. Now you do not need to memorize the table. Just practice the table once and it's very easy. There's nothing to memorize. Basically, whenever your reporting verb is in present tense, nothing changes. The tense doesn't change. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, then in the indirect speech, it has to be past. So therefore, in the direct speech, if it is simple present, it will become simple past. Present continuous will become past continuous. Present perfect will become past perfect. And simple past will become past perfect. So this is the only thing which is slightly different than the flow. Now finally, if the reporting verb is in the past tense and if the direct speech is in the future tense, then what will happen? Then also it will change to past tense. For example, Rama said, I shall like tea. So this will become Rama said that she should like tea. So shall becomes should. Now she should like tea or she would like tea. So whatever you feel like using, right? So this is how you are going to change the tense when you convert direct speech to indirect speech. So what I would advise is, please practice this table with an example. Now if you practice it once, you will understand it completely. Now let us. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.